Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add Dementor to our video for Halloween video editing on CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to my CapCut application and I'm going to create new project on my CapCut. I'm just going to go to the CapCut library to get free footage for my editing. I'm going to select the live category and I'm going to select this video. Okay, I'm gonna add it to my project. Okay, now the CapCut project has been created and I'm going to create hover looks for this video. I'm going to go to the adjustment. I'm going to reduce the brightness just like this. Alright, and I'm going to apply filter as well. I'm going to go to the dark filter, night scene. I'm going to select cold blue. Okay, I'm just going to increase it. Okay, and then I'm going to add the Dementor to this video. If you want to add the Dementor, you can go to the effect menu and then select the video effect. And we can go to the dark category. So this is new category in the CapCut effect, special for Halloween video. And then we can scroll down until we find the flying ghost effect. This one guys, you can click on this effect and then you can adjust it before you add this effect to your video. Here you can adjust the speed and the atmosphere as well. I'm going to increase the speed like this, and then once you're done you can click on the check mark. Okay, and I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, and now the Dementor has been added to my video. You can also combine with other effect to make it looks more horror. You just need to go to the video effect and then you can go to the dark category and you can combine it with other effect. For example, I'm just going to combine it with this magic frame. Okay, and I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, now it's done and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can add Dementor to our video. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.